Hello my friends, I have very excited news today. On March 8th, it's a Women's International Day. We're gonna celebrate this day together with Lancome. I have right here for you a special Lancome gift with purchase at Nordstrom. Yes, this is its exclusive to Nordstrom Lancome gift with purchase. In this video, I will share with you all exclusive offer about this gorgeous gift. Don't miss out. Let's celebrate beauty and empowerment together. I know the day when its gift it start, March 8th, but when it's finished, I don't know. All what I can tell, when supply it's last. This is gorgeous gift. Remember, it's Lancome gift with purchase. You need to purchase something from Lancome and then you can have all these beautiful items. Let me show you this gift really close. What do you think? Do you like this beautiful 6-piece gift? I do. And I have something else for you. If you spend $95, you're gonna receive this beautiful gift and you're gonna receive a full-size Génifique serum. What a beautiful gift, right? Remember, it's gift with purchase. Let me explain to you how to use this product. After you wash your face, and my favorite cleanser from Lancome, it's new Rose Balm cleanser. It's not a gift. It can be your purchase. It smells so good. It removes all your makeup. If you have a dry skin, you will love this. $90. Oh my God, I love this product. You wash your face with your favorite cleanser, then you will use this Absolute Rose 80 Essence Lotion. If you have right now dry skin, dehydrated skin, you will love this product. Again, personally, you can use this cotton. I like to put little bit on my hand, warm this product and just press to my skin, neck and décolleté. And yeah, it smells so good. It smells like I have 100 roses around me. Remember, morning and night you will use essence first after you wash your face, and then you will need to follow with serum. I forgot to mention, right here we have 1 ounce of product or 30 ml. After treatment lotion, you're gonna use this beautiful serum, and this is a Génifique 1 ounce. I believe just single the serum, it's cost $89. Clinically proof your skin will look better, hydrated, less lines, wrinkles. This is serum. It's 27 years of research. Can you believe it? 5 pattern here. This is its new and improved serum, and you will use this morning and night before your moisturizer. Why? Because serum comes to your skin much more deeper than any moisturizer, and moisturizer gonna work only on top of your skin. Next, I have for you Absolute Moisturizer. It's a soft Absolute Moisturizer. We have with you 0.5 ounce or 15 ml. This is moisturizer that smooths the look of fine lines, wrinkles. Also, this moisturizer, brightening moisturizer, hydrating moisturizer. You can use this moisturizer, oh my God, day and night, because it's not SPF and it's for all type of skin. Oh my God, it feels so luxury, and I love this rose smell. And if you're planning to travel, you can take all these beautiful presents from Lancome with you, because it's your traveling size items. I'm going to Japan soon. This is gonna be a perfect traveling set for me. And should I do something special for one of you? You know I like to do gift giveaway. All what you need to do, subscribe my YouTube channel, comments below, write me a nice message, and underneath put word gift. And one of you who live in United States, will receive this, a beautiful big gift from me. Love you more than ice cream. Comments below. Look at this beautiful packaging. This is absolute eye cream. We have 5 ml with you product here, or 0.16 ounce here. This is it for lines, wrinkles, and even bag. Okay, very nice, very beautiful. Smell rose, texture wise, it's a pretty creamy eye cream, and I can use this eye cream underneath and even on top of my eyelid. You should use this morning and night every day. Skincare is done. Remember, first you wash your face, then you follow with essence, then serum, then moisturizer, and then your eye cream. This gift includes beautiful lipstick and the Fenicil mascara. I love the Fenicil mascara, and I actually really like samples, and I know many of you like not regular size, you like a sample size, because this mascara is a good separation, never clumps, and looks really natural. And if you have a sensitive eye, this is mascara for sensitive eyes. Time for me to show you this cute lipstick. Look at these details. We have Lancome logo here. It's so cute. This is its L'Absolute Rouge Drama matte lip color, and its name Rose Mania 321. Let's try. Wow, what a beautiful color. It's your, I would say, rosy mauve, little bit mauve undertone lip color. It's definitely cool undertone lipstick. It's very rich and creamy formula. If you have issue your lipstick run or crease, you're not gonna have this problem with this formula. It's a beautiful color, and I'm so happy. Finally, we have a cool undertone beautiful lipstick, and it's a new lip color. I'm admired. I love this lip color, and personally, when I look at these samples, I'm like, I'm not sure if I like this lipstick, but when I put on my lips, it's gorgeous. Let me know in the comments below, do you like this lip color or not? And yes, you probably wanna know what is it. This is one of my favorite bronze. If I will take you right now to Nordstrom, and we have so many counters with different bronzers, this is gonna be my #1 bronze. Do you know why? Because it's such a beautiful blurring bronze, and my color is 02 light. And look at how pretty this packaging. Oh my god. Okay, I know we talk about gift, but I'm gonna tell you secrets. It's coming new blush, it's coming new blush, new highlighter, new juicy tubes. What else? New hand cream. Oh no, hand cream, it's already available for sale, and I love Absolute hand cream. First, look at how beautiful this packaging. It's very creamy, it's rich, but it smells rose. But what do I like it? Why do I like this hand cream? Because it's not sticky. Oh my god, very luxury hand cream. It's brand new, it's already for sale. I know you're gonna love this. Before I say goodbye to you, remember, I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist. 20 years I'm with Nordstrom. Please support your favorite Nordstrom beauty stylist. Yes, I'm working in commission and I have a big goal. And I really appreciate your big support. Love you more than ice cream. You can DM me on my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. I will send you your merchandise, your beautiful gift direct to your home. It's free shipping. And wait, I have something very important to share with you. March 8th at Nordstrom Tampa, remember Nordstrom Tampa where I work, we're gonna have the biggest Nordstrom event, trend show, and every brand we're gonna have amazing gift. Yes, Lancome gonna have this amazing gift, and we're also gonna have a big department gift. Take advantage of me and Nordstrom. DM me. I will send you your beautiful gift with purchase from Lancome and Nordstrom department gift. Remember, if you spend $40 to $50, you're gonna receive this beautiful 6 items gift, which one include bag, essence, moisturizer, eye cream, mascara and lipstick. And if you spend $95, you're gonna receive this gift and full size of Génifique. And remember, I also gonna have one gift for one of you. You must live in United States. Subscribe my YouTube channel, comments below. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you have a good time with me today. Subscribe!